Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this occasion, I'm gonna show you how to make a scratch game, like a chess game, but for multiplayer. So then, the enemy can decide which player is the close one. Okay, so first let's go back to the scratch one. Let's do scratch, and then we're gonna make new game. Okay, for the enemy, I'm gonna use this cat, and then we're gonna add some more sprite for the players. Maybe I'm just gonna choose the apple and banana. Okay, so here I'm gonna make this cat can decide which one is the close one, the apple or banana. So to do that, first we're gonna go to the apple, and then we're gonna make a variable that contain the x and y position of the apple. Okay, in here we're gonna name it apple x. There we go, and then apple y. So when the green flag click, the apple x and the apple y variable will be set to the position of the apple sprite. So you can put the x position block inside, and also then the same to the apple y variable. Okay, and we want to do this action like looping, so we just have to put the auto block and put these two blocks inside, and there we go. Then when we click the green flag, the apple x and the apple y variable will always be set to the apple position. As you can see, when I moving the apple, then the variable is changed. Okay, and now we're gonna do the same to the banana, and also you can use to make it simple, you can use something that called list. So it's almost the same as variable, but so variable can contain data, but list can contain some variable. Okay, we'll name it banana. There you go. And okay, as you can see, so this is the list. The list is still empty, and now we're gonna fill it with two variables. The first one we're gonna name it with x, and the second one is y. So when the green flag click, we'll add two variables into the banana list. And now we're gonna set the first variable with the x position of the banana. So then we just have to take this block. It's called replace item 1 of banana with, I'm gonna put the x position block like this. And next we're gonna set the second variable, so we just have to change from 1 to 2, and then we change the x position into the 2y position. Okay, so now I already got the all things that we need to count the difference between the enemy and the players. Okay, now we go to the enemy sprite. It may take forever. And here we're gonna make two variables. First one, it's called enemy strip apple. There we go. The second one is enemy strip banana. Okay, so this gonna set the enemy strip apples variable with the this, and now we're gonna implement the formula of to count the difference between coding. So here the first one is with the square root. The square root of the enemy x position minus the apple x position times itself. Okay, and then the enemy y position minus the apple y position. So it will be like this. Okay, so then now as you can see, the more closer apple to the enemy, the more variable. And okay, now we're gonna do the same to the banana. Going to duplicate this, but first we must make the variable first. Then we change the variable to enemies so banana, and then we change from apple to banana. For this, it's almost the same, so you just have to take this the item 1 of banana, because in the first item of banana list it contains the exposition of banana sprite. Okay, there you go. And now we're gonna test. We're gonna make the enemy. So if if apple is the closest one, so then the enemy will say apples, and if the banana is the closest one, then we'll say banana. To do that is very simple, so let's do like this. So then if apple is the first one, let's say banana. Here, just use this one to make it more simple. There we go. So now, if we try to move the apple close to the enemy, then we'll say apples, and if the mouse is closer to the banana, then we'll say banana. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you so much for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.